Lie on the stomach. Place hands next to the head. Palms are on the floor. Try to extend the left hand above the head. And return by the side. Do the same thing with the right hand. Slide the hand on the floor. Do it alternately a few times. Pay attention to how far up each hand can go easily. And feel if there is any difference between the two arms. Leave it, and place the left arm next to the head. And stand the right hand and elbow like a push-up. In this position, try to extend the left hand and arm above the head on the floor, slowly many times. Do it slowly and within a comfortable range. As you extend the left hand, push the right hand a little bit. See if the left hand goes up easier. Do this many times and pay attention to the right leg. What does it want to do? Stay with the left arm extended. In this position, just elongate the right leg down many times slowly. Pay attention to the movement of the pelvis. Pay attention to the movement of the spine. Stay with the leg elongated. In this position, roll the pelvis right and left many times. Don't do anything with the leg intentionally now. Just leave it there quiet. Stay with the pelvis rolled to the right, and the leg elongated. In this position, try to extend the left hand an inch or a centimeter, very short distance. Continue to do this or just imagine to do this many times. It is very similar to the imagination. Pay attention to the spine. How can the spine help to extend the arm? Leave it and place hands next to the head. Extend arms above the head alternately. Do you feel any differences? and rest on the back. Let's work with the right hand in the imagination. Roll over to lie on the stomach. Stand the left elbow. Extend the right hand and arm above the head. Extend the right leg and bend the left knee a little bit. In this position, imagine extending the right hand further up. As you continue to imagine the right hand sliding on the floor, feel or imagine how the spine twists. This is a very subtle feeling. But if you imagine it slowly, you may find the feeling. Pay attention to the pelvis. How does the pelvis help? Pay attention to the left leg and knee. Does the knee extend slightly, as the pelvis rolls to the right in your imagination? Imagine all these movements as one chain movement. Imagine that the right hand crawls upward, and the spine twists and rolls, and the pelvis rolls, and the left knee extends. And as the left knee bends, and the pelvis rolls, and the spine twists, and the right hand becomes short. Continue to imagine all the chain. Leave it and rest for now. Now do it alternately. Extend the right hand and the left hand alternately. Do this many times slowly. Notice the difference between the right and left gradually diminishes. Extend both arms now. Pay attention to the difference in the movement between one and two arms. Do it a bit faster. Leave it and roll over to lie on the back. Feel the contact with the floor. Thank you.